Hello friends, today we will discuss about the CFT crystal field theory of coordination compound. Features of the crystal field theory. First, in a complex, the central metal atom is surrounded by various atoms or groups of atoms called ligands. Second, the ligands are either negatively charged ion or neutral molecule possessing lone pair of electrons. Third, the interaction between the electrons of the metal and ligand is purely electrostatic. Here, electrostatic force of attraction between this metal and ligand, because metals positively charged and ligands are negatively charged or neutral. Fourth, the central metal ion has 5 n-1 degenerate orbitals, namely dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square and dz square. When the ligands approach the metal ion due to repulsive force, the degeneracy of d orbital is distorted and they split into two groups of different energy, T2g and Eg orbital. This effect is called as a crystal field stability, which depends upon the geometry of the complexes. Here, T2g and Eg orbital. T2g orbital contain dxy, dyz and dxz orbitals, and Eg orbitals contain dx square minus y square and dz square orbitals. The d orbitals lying in the direction of ligands are affected to greater extent, while those lying in between the ligands are affected to a less extent. Due to repulsion, the orbitals along the axis of ligands acquire higher energy, while those lying in between the ligands acquire less energy. Hence, repulsion by ligands give two sets of splitting, T2g and Eg orbital. The energy difference between this T2g and Eg orbital is called as crystal field stabilization energy. If the electrons of metal ion occupy the split d orbitals according to Hund's rule, Aufbau principle, and those orbitals with minimum repulsion. 6. Crystal field theory does not account for overlapping of orbitals of central metal ion and ligand, hence does not consider covalent nature of the complex. First, discuss the crystal field theory of octahedral complex. You know octahedral complex, central metal ion having coordination number is 6. In octahedral complexes, 5 degenerated d orbital lost their degeneracy and split into T2g and Eg orbital. Degenerated d orbitals of the central metal ion, higher energy degenerated d orbitals of metal ion in a crystal field theory. In crystal field theory, there goes to higher energy and then split into two level, low energy level and high energy level, that is T2g and Eg orbitals. Here they split into T2g and Eg orbitals. Lower energy level orbital known as a T2g, higher energy orbital known as a Eg orbital. T2g contain 3 suborbitals and Eg orbital contain 2 suborbitals. Name for these dxy, dyz and dxz. Here dx square minus y square and dz square. These degenerated d orbitals of metal ion in crystal field theory split it into two levels, T2G and EG level. Due to face-to-face repulsion of EG group of orbital produces higher energy than that of the T2G orbitals, and the energy gap between this T2G and EG orbital is known as the crystal field stabilization energy, that is octahedral crystal field stabilization energy, delta O, is split into this energy level here 0.4 and here 0.6 dq, means energy 0.6 delta O and 0.4 delta O, that is 4 dq, here 6 dq. In octahedral complex, d orbitals split at T2G and EG level. T2G orbitals lower energy level, EG orbital high energy level. Value for this EG orbital 0.6 delta O for octahedral complex, that is a 6 dq, and T2G orbitals 0.4 delta O is equal to 4 dq, that is delta O means crystal field stabilization energy is equal to 10 dq. About the crystal field theory of tetrahedral complex. In a tetrahedral complex, ligands approach the central metal atom in between three coordinated axes. Therefore, these axes x, y and z, the dxy, dyz, dxz, dx square minus y square and dz square. These orbitals splitted into two levels, T2G and EG orbitals. T2G orbitals more repulsion by the ligands as compared to EG orbitals. Due to greater repulsion, T2G orbitals higher energy than EG orbital in the tetrahedral complexes. Degenerated d orbitals of metal ion in crystal field theory, split into two levels in the tetrahedral complexes, EG and T2G level. EG orbital having low energy level and T2G orbital having high energy level. You know EG orbital means dx square minus y square and dz square. T2G orbitals are dxy, dyz and dxz. Crystal field energy difference between T2G and EG orbital, that is delta T, crystal field stabilization energy. The energy of this orbital is 0.6 delta T and here 0.4 delta T. A splitting of d levels in the tetrahedral complex is much less as compared to octahedral complexes, that is octahedral splitting energy, crystal field stabilization energy in octahedral complex is greater than crystal field stabilization energy in a tetrahedral complex. Limitations. Some limitations also here present. Limitations of crystal field theory. First, crystal field theory explain only about the central metal ion. Here does not consider the ligand, means only discuss about the d orbital of the central metal ion. Second, this theory does not explain about the pi bonding in the complexes. Third, water is a stronger ligand than hydroxide ion, which is not explained here. Fourth, according to this theory, metal ligand bond is an ionic bond, but cannot explain this is a partially covalent nature or partially covalent coordinated bond here. Relation between P and delta O, that is pairing energy and crystal field stabilization energy in octahedral complex. This point is very important for NEET JEE CET. You know this pairing energy P. The energy required to pair two electrons against the electron repulsion in the same orbital of metal atom or ion in the complex is called as a pairing energy. And delta O means crystal field stabilization energy in the octahedral complex. First, delta O greater than pairing energy and second delta O less than pairing. Means value of octahedral crystal field stabilization energy. The value of crystal field stabilization energy greater than pairing. When value of crystal field stabilization energy greater than pairing energy. The low spin complexes having strong field ligand or spin paired octahedral complexes ion is here obtained. Second, when value of crystal field stabilization energy in an octahedral complex is less than pairing energy. The high spin complex weak field ligand here or spin free octahedral complex is formed. The value of delta O and P, that is a pairing energy and crystal field stabilization energy in octahedral complex, are determined by spectroscopy. Colors in coordination compound. Colors of coordination compound is due to the DD transition. You know DD transition means electron, d orbital electron transfer from low energy level to higher energy level d orbital. This is a DD transition. The complex absorb visible region light wavelength and transmit light with a different wavelength in a visible region and give complex colored. Now discuss one example here. Example, hydrated titanium ion. In this titanium hexahydrated 3+ ion. This is purple color complex. In this complex, oxidation state of this titanium, oxidation state of titanium +3. And coordination number of this titanium is 6 because 6 water molecules surrounded here means coordination number is 6. The electronic configuration of titanium +3, valence shell electronic configuration 3d1 4s0 means d orbital contain only one electron. The splitting diagram for this, d orbital contain 5 suborbitals in ground state. Here 3d1 electronic configuration, that is only one unpaired electron here present. In excited state, degenerated this orbital in excited state goes to high energy of this orbital and then splitting of this orbital in this octahedral complex. You know, in octahedral complex T2G lower energy orbital and EG higher energy orbital. Here only one unpaired electron present goes to this lower energy orbital and then this d orbital electron goes to higher d energy level orbitals, that is dd transition here takes place. Here takes place dd transition in this octahedral complex, that is splitting energy delta O is equal to delta E is equal to value for this 3.99 into 0.99 into 10 to the power minus 90 joule per ion. That is dd transition means low energy level d orbital electron goes to higher energy d orbital electron, that is a dd transition, and due to this dd transition this complex colored, that is a purple colored complex here. Hope you like the video. Subscribe it आणि पुढे व्हायटल केमिस्ट्री तुमच्यासाठी काही ट्रिक्सचे टॉपिक घेऊन येणार आहे, म्हणजेच आयसोमेरिझम, फंक्शनल ग्रुप, हाऊ टू डिस्कस और हाऊ टू स्टडी about organic chemistry in simply way. जी तुम्हाला ऑर्गॅनिक केमिस्ट्री रिएक्शन पाहिले की भीती वाटते त्या कशा लक्षात ठेवायच्या, कसा त्याचा अभ्यास करावा, त्याविषयी तुम्हाला नवीन व्हिडिओ व्हायटल केमिस्ट्री तुमच्यासाठी घेऊन येणार आहे. मग सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका.